Running. So the beds are gonna break automatically as soon as we start. So yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do a 1v1 in gun game. There we go. A 1v1 in gun game. So there's no kits.
Hopefully.
Wait, why am I Gompy then? Wait, you did. Okay, so you did.
To make the code.
Okay, see you guys. But if you all do enjoy today's video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe and turn on all notifications so you never miss out on my videos. Hey, it's 3 p.m. Let's go. Normally in this I would always get anti-cheated. Let's hope I don't get anti-cheated. Dude, I'm about to win. Ready for this?
Yeah, I'm just gonna play the game.
Alright.
Like, I'm not really gonna feel confident. I'm just play the game.
You know I'm sweating.
Oh my sweat.
I'm gonna sweat. I'm not letting you win this. I'm sweating. Okay, as you can see how terrible I am.
2.
There's 1. Hello, friend. Wait. Oh! Wait. Ow! We're so... Oh, finally I got it. That took me 40 seconds.
Sweat. Why are you gonna be sweating, bro?
Told you I'm gonna be sweating.
Why?
And by the way, I'm gonna also be TPing you at random times. Hello! Okay, you wanna fight? Okay, you're here to win, I see.
Yeah, you're gonna be sweating.
Hello! Oh, why?
Tinkle wannabe.
Oh no, I can't spell. Well, we both got the kill. Wait, no!
Boom!
Oh, come on. I hate. Bruh, you're sweating.
So are you. You're also going to be sweating. Don't sweat, then I won't sweat.
Ooh, I'm not, dude. Oh, you know this map well, I see.
Yes, I really like this map.
Where I can't aim. Why am I so bad?
I'm blowing out those boosts.
Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh, that's scary.
TP me.
Oh, right, yeah, I do. Let's go. Oh, hey. Oh, my screen got glitched.
Oh
no.
no.
Hey, Devs, if you could fix the bows where it doesn't get glitched, like it gets stuck.
You come down here, John.
No. I'm going down there. You can see how bad enough I can aim already. Oh, thanks. Give me those extra boosts. Ooh, I'm one shot.
You, buddy.
Wow, you're really good at dodging.
I'm not really good at aiming, but I'm really good at dodging.
Yeah, you are way too good. Why did I even want a 1v1, dude?
You're even better than me.
When it comes to knowing where to go, you are very good at that. Oh my.
I kind of know this map,
The screen.
like, from the back of my hand, kind of. But now going into PvP, you're definitely way better than me.
I'm so bad at this. I'm terrible.
That's why I practice. And like skills.
Oh, you went the other way.
Thanks for the 6-9 health.
Oh, it works. Keep taking that extra damage.
Now I'm confident.
Of course I died. So bad. Wait, can I teleport you though? Oh my! Why are you sweating so hard?
I'm not sweating.
You see what
I'm just confident.
Sweat!
You did say that you would be sweating, so I'm gonna sweat back.
No! Oh. Wait, let me re-health. Can I re-health?
Nope.
My goodness.
You have, like, pretty much maxed health.
Nope. Oh my. That looked like the explosion kill effect. Ta-da! Dodge that.
But, like, you're really good at PvP. Like, I'm just saying you're better than me.
I think you know where to go not to get hit off. Like, I'm not going there. There's too many holes. See, you know exactly where I'm
Perfect, Damon.
going.
Because I live with you. I know where you will go. Every single move, I play with you every day. Every single move.
See, whenever we play, I get all the diamonds. So, oh, thanks for those extra boosts, mate. Okay, I'm gonna just go this way.
Let's go, mate.
Okay.
Okay, mate. Let's go.
I feel like people only say mate because Tinker says it. Like, mate? Like, oh, take that, mate, you know? I feel
Yeah.
like-
I'm not really, like,
Again?
that, like,
Yes. Wait.
I killed myself.
Oh, come on.
I'm stuck.
Yes. Give me the kill.
See.
Up again.
Kill myself.
Don't shoot it. All right.
Boom. Boom.
Oh, good. Well, I messed up. I'm so dumb.
We like the push, buddy.
No. Come on. Yes. Thanks for the extra boost, bud. Okay, whatever.
I don't know you're going to TP me.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Do it all the time.
Oh, I almost fell.
I'm so bad at this game.
You know, I'm just gonna keep playing this.
Yeah. That's what you have to do.
Is
I
that-
got anti-cheated.
Really now?
Yes.
Really?
Not capping.
That. Okay, I'm gonna dead here. I'm just gonna let you kill me because now we're even. Crossbows.
Little crossbow. I hate my aim and I stink at it. I'm not the best aimer.
Wait, with that, I would've.
I'm dead. Yep. Oh, my foot.
You okay?
Yes, I'm just not in the comfortable position. Why do I get anti-cheated? Look.
Wait, where did you just go?
I got stuck.
I know, all the PC players have such an advantage, honestly. Like,
I want to
really,
get a laptop.
so many of them have an advantage.
You can spam with a bow.
Yeah, I know, but wow, you're good with a bow. Not gonna lie.
I'm not.
See, it just depends on
Like
how I'm
how I
feeling.
play.
Sometimes I love the game and
Me
you can
too.
kill me, and some days I just can't aim with
Me
anything
too.
because I'm terrible at it.
Today I can't aim.
I hate my aim. No, please, don't kill me. Please, I'm
I'm just
sorry.
playing the game.
I'm not okay. I purposely did it. How did you know I was going to teleport you?
Cause you do it all the time. Why am I defeated? What? Why am I stuck? Oh, the anti-cheat.
I know, it's
I
terrible.
hate it.
Yeah. Bro, stop running.
I'm sitting on my foot. That's why I'm not in
No! I hate. So bad at this game. Of
on.
course. Why am I so bad?
Why am I good and cheated?
Why am I just so bad at this?
How do you only have 13 kills and I only have 19? Oh, thank you.
Dude, what did you want to do with it today?
Today I stink at the game.
That's the Minecraft sound. Oh my god. You got so quiet.
I'm not a sweat, okay? I'm just good at the game.
Yes!
Stink at the... Oh, you have one of the most...
OP's weapons.
No, yeah, it's OP.
I don't even have to hit you. I actually get just close enough on you. How did you even get up there?
No, I'm not gonna tell you.
Oh wait, I forgot you spawned up there.
No.
Wait, no, I'm gonna kill myself.
I can't aim!
Why can't you just come down here?
Because I know that you're gonna shoot the purpose at me. I hate my aim!
And it takes so long to do it. Okay, if you want to come down here, then I will make you.
You definitely win. You way much better than me.
Oh, let's go!
You're way much better than me, boy.
Fight. Oh, I
If
just...
you're gonna win, you're way much better than me.
Ooh. Guys, there's a creepy old man in the window!
Hey, you!
He's our dinosaur. He's outside.
I'm gonna keep running.
Goodbye!
Beads! Beads!
Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoy. See ya!
I got Andy cheated.
I don't know if you can wait this minute. I just said it's almost time to go.